This is an English project, Global Warming. What is global warming? Global warming is global increase in temperature occur and represents one of the biggest threats towards now current hopes over Mount level and some of where rates of temperature change index in planets. What causes it causes global warming depends on man or added earth following the emission of carbon dioxide occurs as a result of the burning of fossil fuels such as oil or coal. What effect does global warming have? There's a resume of the real consequences and global warming causing of our planet: drought, hurricane, hunger, poverty, and destruction. How can we construction it? Things are some of everyday challenges you can make right now. 1. Use public transport. 2. Super anchoring. 3. Triton hat land. 4. Routes and rounds. 5. Indian for an educated